I'm here. I'm in Rome today. I'm in Borghese Park. Borghese, sorry. And it feels like summertime. It's Saturday, March 18th. Yeah, those massive jets keep flying over, which is kind of scary. But I went to Piazza Novana and also just got a little breakfast at a cafe. It was perfect. It was like right in the middle of this market. I've just been kind of walking around. There's a lot of cool stores here too that I'll definitely look at. Next, I'm going to, I have a ticket to see the Colosseum. Still only noon. I got in here at like 9:30. I love how many palm trees there are here. And there's really cool like acacia trees, I think it's called. I am now in this perfect little area and going to do some reading. This is what I'm reading right now. It's the sequel to Call Me By Your Name, which is one of my favorite books now. And it's really good so far. I'm on a trek right now. Rome is a lot more hilly than Florence. A lot more hills.